Chapter 9. Ignition Systems. Page 147. Basic ignition system operation. Charge builds up in coil, 12 volts in. Creates a magnetic field, windings of wire. Voltage is stepped up, secondary windings. Switch open, magnetic field collapses. High voltage discharged, to plug. Fundamental electrical principles. Electricity is lazy. Electricity wants to go to ground. Electron theory, 2, plus. Conventional theory, plus, 2, dash. Conductors. Insulators. The electron theory. Electricity moves from, to plus. Electrical units of measurement. Volts, push V. Current quantity A. Resistance to flow, Ohm's law. E equals I, XR. E, I equals R. E, R equals I. E, I, R. Magnetism. Alike charges repel. Dissimilar charges attract, plus, magnets and electricity. Magnets can be used to form electricity. Electricity can be used to form magnets. Electricity when applied to magnets makes stronger magnets. Ignition coils. Coils of wire wrapped around an iron core. Step-up transformer. Spark plugs. Spark plugs contain an air gap for electricity to create a spark and make a seal. Heat ranges. The difference between a hot and a cold spark plug is in the shape of the ceramic tip. The manufacturers will select the right temperature plug for each engine. Some engines with high performance naturally generate more heat, so they need colder plugs. If the spark plug gets too hot, it could ignite the fuel before the spark fires. It is important to stick with the right type of plug. Engines that burn oil may need hot plugs. Measuring spark plug temperature. Types of electrodes. Center electrode. Side electrode. Switching devices. Breaker points. Electronic breaker points. Ran by camshaft. Electronic switching devices. No breaker points to burn or wear out. The MBI Magneto System mechanical breaker point ignition. Produce power without an outside power source. Condenser prevents arcing. The MBI Magneto Cycle. Magnets pass legs. Coil. 150 turns of large wire. 20,000 turns of fine wire. Iron core. The stop switch plug only fires when points open. Switch grounds points. Fasten metal to headbolt. Ignition advanced systems. Cause spark earlier. BTDC. As engine warms up. Speeds up. Centrifugal. Vacuum. Mechanical, dwell and chem angles. Time points stay closed. Lobes size equals dwell time. Electronic ignition solid state. No maintenance, no points burning. Spark plug life. Easy starting. Higher output. Starts flooded engine. Higher spark output. Electronic ignition hermetically sealed. Uniform performance. Good under adversity. Improved idling. Smoother power under load. Operation of capacitive discharge ignition, CDI. Solid state. Newest. No breaker points. Magnets only moving parts. Operation of transistor controlled ignition, TCI, systems. Magneto ignition systems compared. Battery ignition systems. Low voltage primary circuit. High voltage secondary circuit. Ignition switch. Builds field. Field collapses. Spark to plug. High voltage secondary circuits. Use as a step-up transformer. Several winding of wire, iron core, auto transformer type ignition coils. The lead acid battery.